How do we read the measurement? First, we read via the serial port. Reading via the serial port requires the accelerometer to be in active transmission mode. This accelerometer has two active transmission modes. The first is performance mode. In this mode, the accelerometer transmits data at a frequency of 10 Hz. The second is bandwidth test mode. In bandwidth test mode, the accelerometer transmits data at a frequency of 1000 Hz. We will discuss how to change the mode of the accelerometer later. Currently, we have a serial port software open. First, set the serial port's baud rate to 921,600. Then, adjust the port settings. Set to 8 data bits, 1 stop bit, and no parity check. Click OK. The serial port software also needs to enable hex display. You need to set it to display in hexadecimal. Then open the serial port. You will notice that the accelerometer is continuously transmitting data outward. Let's pause here for a moment. Next, let's open and check the data parsing table. We can see that the 5th to 8th bytes are the acceleration values. That is here. We can see that the acceleration value is 000F469C in hexadecimal. Now let's open a calculator to calculate its corresponding decimal value. Now, F469C converted to decimal is 1,001,116. The unit here is μg. When converted to G, it is 1.001116 G. 1.00111, 6 times the gravitational acceleration. We can also use more user-friendly host computer software. First, we open the host computer software. For first-time users, you need to provide us with the machine code. For example, when you launch the host computer software, a serial number verification interface will pop up. Before filling in the information, you need to provide us with your machine code. We will then issue a serial number to you. Enter the serial number in the corresponding field on this interface, then click Verify, and exit, and then you can activate the software. Next, we need to detect the available serial ports. First, we click Detect Available Serial Ports. Change the serial port number to that of the USB to TTL module's serial port. Set the baud rate to 921,600. The parity bit is none, the data bit is 8, and the stop bit is 1. You also need to go to the Tools section to set the protocol, selecting Accelerometer, Quartz Accelerometer, and Synchronous Mode version. Then you will be able to see that the interface is in the synchronous mode version. Now, when we open the serial port, we can see the acceleration values.